Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's having an awesome Sunday. Today this is my weekend of prepping, as you can see, for the winter, somewhat, preparing for cold season. But right now I'm going to prepare something. I actually posted a short on this, and I'm going to prepare this today. It's a rosemary tonic, kind of like a rosemary spray for your hair. It is used to strengthen the hair. It also fights off dandruff. It accelerates growth, and also improves like scalp circulation, and controls like the fall if your hair is breaking, like when the seasons change. This would be something that you could use to actually help strengthen your hair and strengthen the bonds in the hair to keep it from breaking, from falling out, and control a lot of the other natural issues that people have with their hair. I don't have a lot of braces. I do have frizz, but I have a fairly decent grade of hair, and I don't have a perm. Mine is natural. So I try to use natural products on my hair. And I've used rosemary oil for years. I've used rosemary water, rosemary sprays, tonics, and they seem to work. So I said I was going to give this one a try. It's fairly simple. So what you're going to start out with is 2 sprigs of rosemary, as you can see, 2 sprigs. And I did wash these before I got ready to use them. Also, you're going to need 200 milliliters of water, as you can see. I'm using distilled water and not tap water because it contains a lot of minerals. It has a lot of lead, and also they treat the water with chlorine. So I'm using distilled water. So you want to put your water in your boiler, and you're going to turn the eye on, and you want it to start to boil. When the water starts to boil, we're going to add these 2 sprigs of rosemary, and we're going to let this boil, and then I'm going to allow it to cool. And then I'm going to transfer it to my spray bottle and label it, okay? Rosemary tonic. And I'm going to use this on my hair. The seasons are changing. It's getting cooler in the mornings, even throughout the day. It's a very nice day today. So as the seasons change, I always change the products that I use for strength purposes. Right? So I'm going to place you on a pause while the water starts to boil. When it boils, I'll pick you back up. We'll add our sprigs of rosemary, and then we'll allow it to simmer and extract the oils from the rosemary, and then we'll be ready to make our tonic. So if you would, just bear with me, and I'll be right back with you. Okay, everyone, the water is boiling. So now I'm going to place the 2 sprigs of rosemary in the boiling water. Pretty simple, straight, direct, and to the point. And then I'm going to turn the heat off once it starts to actually get a raging boil. I'm going to turn the heat off. And then I'm going to transfer this to a glass jar, which I have here. And after I transfer it to the glass jar, I'm just going to let it sit on the counter for about 5 hours to extract out the oils. And then once it has sit for 5 hours, then I'm going to transfer it to my spray bottle and label my spray bottle. I left this stuff out earlier, but I have to do the extraction. So I want to turn the eye off now that the water is actually boiling. So we'll turn it off. And then I'm going to transfer to this glass jar. And there's no need to get like a and of course you want your 2 sprigs in there. Right? You're going to place the lid on it. You make sure they're submerged. You're going to place your lid on it. And then you're going to, and you want it just finger tight. You don't have to screw it on tight, just finger tight. And then I'm going to sit this here for 5 hours and let it, as they say, steep, brew, do the extraction, and pull the oils out of my rosemary. And then after that, I will be ready to transfer it to my beautiful spray bottle, and then I'll be ready for use. So while that's sitting, I'm going to place you on a pause, and I'll bring you back when it's time to transfer it to the spray bottle. Hello everyone, I'm back. Our 5-hour mark is up. I know it seems like 2 seconds to you, but this is what it looks like once you let it sit for 5 hours. Okay. So now I want to, it has that strong rosemary pungent smell to it. So now I'm just going to transfer this to my measuring cup. It has a spout on the end, and I'm going to transfer it from here to the spray bottle. And I picked this spray bottle up at Dollar Tree for $1.25. And I've had, this is my second one, no, third one. This is my third one, and it really works well. All right, so that's it. Now, if you would like to add any essential oils to this, you may do so. I don't want the oil because I already have an oil. I'm just going to use this kind of like as a leave-in conditioner, as you would say. I'm just going to spray my hair with it and brush it. That's usually what I do. I'll just put a leave-in conditioner in it, and I brush it, and it, you know, does what it does. As I said earlier, I do not have a relaxer. I haven't had a relaxer since 2010. I have no desire to relax my hair. I don't think I have that bad of a grade or texture of hair. It seems to be pretty good. Sometimes I may have to put just a little gel on it, or mousse or something, just so it just really lay. But I don't have that bad of a grade of hair. Praise the Lord. All right, guys. So this is the spray. Of course, you want to shake it up. And like I said, you can add any oil that you want. You can add castor oil. You can add more rosemary oil, essential oils. I would say no more than 9 or 10 drops. You can add anything that you would like to add to this. If you have a growth oil that you want to use, you can add that to it as well. And you'll have an option. And as you can see, you just spray it and let it go. Of course, I'll spray more when I get ready for bed. I'll spray it really good. All right. And it is a leave-in. You don't have to wash it out. And like I said earlier, this is good for, if you have dandruff, this will help prevent dandruff. If you have weak strands, your elasticity is kind of like the bonds are broken. This will help to straighten your hair. It helps to get the blood circulating in your scalp. It also is good for like the weather changing. Like I said, it prevents your hair like from fall. If it breaks off, you know, you get split ends or whatever. This is really good. A really good leave-in conditioner, or tonic as we call it, rosemary tonic, and it works very well for that. The smell is not the best because of course it smells like rosemary. So if you would like to change the smell, you would have to add essential oils to yours to get it where you would like. All right. So thank you for coming along with me with this prep for the rosemary tonic. This is the same recipe that you see in the short that's on my channel. And I might change that out and actually put this, a picture of this one up there, so you'll know I did prepare it and I did go through the motion with it, and it's exactly as it is stated, and I've already used this. So you'll always have it if you want to come back to it. All right. So thanks for coming along with me. Thank you, subscribers. I'm greatly appreciative of you. Thanks to those who stopped by. If something caught your attention, and I hope that you will consider to like, subscribe, comment, and share as well. As I always say, keep a positive vibe. Be positive to everyone that you come in contact with, because we never know what people are going through from day to day. There is so much happening in this world presently, not just in our areas, but in areas that we're not, traveled to. But we hear on the news, we see on YouTube and, on Instagram and other platforms. So we know things are happening. So just be mindful of that. Stay in prayer, not just for yourself, but for everyone that you come in contact with, family, friends, co-workers, strangers, enemies, frenemies, everyone. Let's just stay prayed up. and continue to spread positive vibes, and hope that those vibes we spread will rub off on others. So stay motivated, focused, inspired, encouraged, enlightened, and do the same for others. I will see you guys on the next prep. No, bake, cook, DIY, who knows. I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay safe. Bye.